Claustrophobia is the fear of small enclosed places, and over 25% of all people suffer from it. Hospital-based MRIs can be a tight squeeze and have that feeling of being forced into a tunnel. The only MRI claustrophobic patients consistently complete is a true open MRI. At Open MRI of Decatur, we offer high-def imaging with daylight on all four sides, and most importantly, an MRI with no tunnel. Open MRI of Decatur maintains a 98% success rate, even with the most claustrophobic patients. Our technologists are specialty trained to comfort all types of claustrophobia. We offer sleep masks, headsets, and even allow a loved one to join you in the room. Remember, Open MRI of Decatur is ACR accredited and recognized as the gold standard in medical imaging. Our cost is 66% less than the same services at the hospital, and we offer self-pay discounts. Why pay more? It's your money, your time, your health, your choice. Ask your doctor for Open MRI of Decatur or call us direct to book an appointment. Open MRI of Decatur, voted best of the best by the Decatur Daily Readers. Call 256-350-7779. Visit us at www.openmriofdecatur.com.